A lot to get to, especially in the weather department. I'm Stephen Albert.
And I'm Kelly Rippin. We've gotten calls this morning, people wanting to know kind of the timing of all of this, Randy. Obviously, you're planning out your day. We see it behind you. Walk us through this.
So this comes in 2 rounds today, and that's the big issue. We have an early morning round that will coincide with the morning rush, then a break in the action midday, juice up the atmosphere, and potentially see even stronger storms as we get into the mid-afternoon and evening. Right now, the strongest storm in our area, just outside of the WLWT viewing area. You can see that severe thunderstorm warning for areas like Shelbyville. This one is racing to the east at about 55 miles per hour, and it was warned for the potential for 60-mile-an-hour winds and up to penny-size hail. And as we go through this early morning round, damaging winds, heavy rain, your primary concerns, maybe some hail. And while there is a tornado threat this morning, it is lower than what we're anticipating this afternoon. This afternoon's the reason that we got upgraded to a more moderate threat for our area. So as we take a look, that storm is on the way in toward areas of Franklin County here in the next 20 minutes or so. Currently, again, that severe thunderstorm warning not including our area. So as we take a look at what's going on here, Katie's going to draw a storm track along this one, bringing it to the east so you can see the timeline for the arrival as it gets into portions of Franklin County. Again, moving about 55 miles per hour or so, which barely nudges it in, but you can see areas like Greensburg at about 4:45 and then to Columbia at about 4:50 p.m. Now, we already have rain and thunderstorms rolling through our area here into Butler and Warren counties, and you can see here we've got some heavier rain making its way right into areas like Hamilton and Fairfield. And as we take a look back along I-75, you can see the showers and thunderstorms moving in. Again, the morning batch not anticipated to be our stronger one. Here we go, looking at the bigger view here. Areas into Kentucky right now looking pretty quiet. To the north, you can see scattered rain and thunderstorms, but again, the one stronger storm still off to our west. As we head through the morning, notice our entire area has been upgraded to a moderate risk. This is a 4 out of 5, and this is because of the threat for stronger tornadoes this afternoon, an EF2 or greater possible as we go through the afternoon and evening hours. So here's what to expect. From round 1 this morning, potential for storms with damaging winds and hail. Can't rule out the possibility of a tornado, but it's really the afternoon round that gets started around 3 or 4 p.m. That brings a more significant threat for severe weather. All severe weather types, hail, damaging winds, but it's that potential for a stronger or long-lasting tornado in the afternoon and evening, which is why we're under the moderate threat today. So we're going to go hour by hour through this, kind of show you the timeline for this early morning batch that will impact the morning rush, and then take a look ahead toward what we expect this evening coming up.